You check your bank account, and it finally says $50,000. And for a second, you feel like you've made it. But then, nothing really changes. You still go to work, you still worry about money, and you start wondering, was this even worth it? Here's the thing. Look, people think $50,000 is about luxury. It's not. It's about control. Here's what most people don't realize. Nearly 40% of people can't cover a $400 emergency. So when you hit $50,000, you're not rich, you're stress-resistant. $50,000 invested at 7% equals about $3,500 a year. Not life-changing income, but that's your rent for 2 to 3 months. The biggest shift isn't financial, it's psychological. You stop making desperate decisions. You don't stay in toxic jobs. You don't panic over every expense. $50,000 doesn't buy freedom, it builds the foundation for it. And once you feel that shift, you'll never go back.